My name is Jennifer, and I'm a licensed industrial mechanic. I decided to become an industrial millwright actually by chance. I was always in tech, loved it, used it as a bird course to get my grades even higher for my university application. My father's a tool and die maker, but it never really occurred to me to be a career. I decided to take it for tech for co-op, but had no idea what to choose. I ended up going through the course guide and picked the one that suited me best, and it turned out it was Millwright. I ended up doing a 180 in my career and went from a very highly university-based career into the trades through college. What drew me to Millwright was the problem solving, the application, the fact that no matter what, a machine is a machine. It doesn't matter whether it's making automotive parts or if it's a roller coaster, a bearing is a bearing. So if you know the bearing, you know how to fix it, you know how it works. No matter what it's in, even if it's in your washing machine, you can fix it. So you're very versatile. I love being able to get right in there, being able to problem solve. Most of the times, the problems were never the same. You're always working on something different. Main part is troubleshooting, which is reactive maintenance. Machine breaks down, it's your job to go and fix it, figure out what's wrong, get it running again for production. And preventative maintenance, which is trying to find problems before they even happen. So going through a list of checklists and making sure that things are running smoothly. Do they need adjustments? Whether it be for, again, a roller coaster or a CNC precision machine. You still want to try and find those problems before they happen and make sure it runs smoothly and operationally. The perception was there for so long of the trades are if you couldn't go to university or if you weren't good at certain things, that was where you would go. But it isn't. It's much harder than most people know. Like, you have to have math, you have to know geometry for heavy lifting, for rigging, for problem solving. We also have to know hydraulics, we have to know pneumatics, we have to be able to read blueprints, we have to be able to draw blueprints. I do a little bit of plumbing, I also do work on air compressors, so there's a little bit of work in all the different things. We also have to know how to weld, do electricity and motor controls. So you literally do a little bit of everything, because any kind of problem solving could be several different things. And whether it be the main part of your job is reactive maintenance, is to fix a machine. But at the same time, I also installed machines. So I had to be able to install air lines, I had to be able to level machine, know the weights of a machine. So there's several different aspects when it comes to being a millwright. Know what you truly want. Make sure you take the classes, research, understand what it truly involves. The biggest and best thing I could recommend is talk to people already in that trade. They're the ones with the most amount of knowledge and the most amount of experience. You will be able to get an exact and true answer from them. This job has allowed me to be able to look after the preventative maintenance of 82 buildings, the equipment that run those buildings, and the tech equipment that's in them. And without the background knowledge of my trade, I wouldn't be able to do that. I wouldn't know what's involved in fixing the machine and how to do the preventative maintenance, how much time it takes. I can do all of that on my own without having to refer to the trades guys, because I already have that background knowledge and I can just put the program out there.